Aurizon has been selected to deliver an integrated road, rail and port logistics solution for BHP's globally significant Copper South Australia province, with the package to move copper concentrate and cathode from mining operations at Olympic Dam, Parliament Hill and Carrapateena to Port Adelaide's Berth 29 for export. A new multimodal terminal at Pimba, 500 kilometres north of Adelaide, reported to cost approximately $40 million, is set to be constructed and opened by 2027, with the terminal to be built on the old Woomera Line alignment off the Pimba Triangle. In the meantime, a short-term hard stand for loading and unloading will be used while the terminal is being built, with trains scheduled to begin in October 2025. Mine inputs will be consolidated at Aurizon's Berth 29 at Port Adelaide, then railed 500 kilometres north to Aurizon's new terminal at Pimba. Return trains will transport the mine outputs, with copper concentrate and cathode transported to Pimba by road, then railed south 500 kilometres to Port Adelaide for export. Pimba is an ideal location for a multimodal hub, with its centralised location between the three mines. It's also situated on the Trans-Australian Railway, a high axle load mainline that links Adelaide and Perth. The service is expected to transport approximately 1.3 million tonnes of freight per year for up to 15 years. Resulting in around 11,000 fewer truck movements and 13 million fewer truck kilometres on SA roads per year, resulting in a reduction in carbon emissions of approximately 20,000 tonnes per year. The project is a great example of how road and rail can work together, with Simmons Clark Logistics signing on to move ore and freight between the rail hub and the mines. Pacific National Intermodal 6MP4, operating from Melbourne to Perth, is on the approach from the southeast, with Twin NRs hauling a nearly 1800 metre train westward.